The water heater pressure relief valve, also called a T and P valve, is one of the most critical safety devices in your home's plumbing system. This valve is designed to prevent dangerous explosions by automatically releasing excess pressure or temperature from inside the water heater tank. The valve automatically opens when pressure exceeds 150 psi or when temperature goes above 210 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the danger thresholds that could lead to tank rupture. A leaking pressure relief valve is a common problem with several possible causes. Understanding these causes helps you identify and fix the issue quickly. First, excessive pressure from the main water supply or thermal expansion. When water heats up, it expands and increases pressure in the tank. Second, high temperature caused by a thermostat set too high. The recommended range is 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Other causes include a faulty or worn-out valve, sediment buildup preventing proper sealing, or improper installation. Now let's look at the troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and fix a leaking pressure relief valve. Step 1. Check the water temperature. Ensure your thermostat is set between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal safety and efficiency. Step 2. Inspect the water pressure using a pressure gauge. Normal pressure should be between 40 and 80 psi. If it's higher, you'll need a pressure regulator. Step 3. Try flushing the valve to remove debris. Turn off power and water supply, place a bucket underneath, and lift the lever to flush out any sediment. If the valve continues to leak after these troubleshooting steps, it likely needs replacement. Remember, a properly functioning pressure relief valve is essential for your safety and prevents dangerous tank explosions. When troubleshooting doesn't resolve the leak, the pressure relief valve needs replacement. This process requires careful attention to safety and proper installation techniques. Next, drain the water heater tank to a level below the pressure relief valve. This prevents water from spilling out when you remove the old valve. Now remove the old valve using a wrench. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew it from the tank. Be prepared for some residual water to come out. Before installing the new valve, apply Teflon tape to the threads. This creates a watertight seal and prevents leaks. Wrap the tape clockwise around the threads. Install the new valve by screwing it in clockwise. Ensure it's properly aligned and tightened securely, but don't over-tighten as this can damage the threads. Once the new valve is installed, restore the water supply and electrical power. Check for leaks around the new valve and ensure it's functioning properly. To prevent future valve problems, flush your water heater tank annually to remove sediment buildup. This simple maintenance step extends the life of your pressure relief valve and entire system. If the new valve continues to leak despite proper installation, this may indicate larger system issues such as a failing expansion tank or pressure regulator. In these cases, consult a professional plumber for diagnosis and repair.